The problem is the Palestinian cause is an evil.
There is a ceasefire deal right now at the White House is helping Israel and Hamas will sign on to. Does this change anything when it comes to the moves of the negotiations to end it?
Well, it speaks to the importance of the overall end of the conflict as a complete contains. But that's just it doesn't do. We did not negotiate a surrender with the Nazis. We did not negotiate a surrender with the Japanese. We moved to the Japanese twice to get unconditional surrender.
So Republican Congressman of the Randee Fine in Florida seems to think it's totally okay to kill a ton of innocent people to nuke. I mean, he's referencing what the United States did in using nuclear weapons against Japan. That's in its own thing. That was his response to the question about the killing of two Israeli embassy staffers. He's going to get in the way of the ceasefire, careful the ceasefire.
No.
No negotiating, no ceasefire. In the past, this is
Yeah. So Randy Fine is obviously racist. He's a disgusting big up man. And this is incredibly stupid even without any activity like that. I don't care. And so this comes on TV shows. Can you believe they come to people that's terrible of this thing? And he turns around and goes, you see some bots there? That's what we should kill 2 million. We should nuke them and kill 2 million because of that bot